Welcome to the second week of Photos.Tales vlog. I've got a lot of footage in here, a lot of pictures. Hope you enjoy it. My style right now is to put a little bit of video and a lot of photos, and just to try to make it entertaining. If you got feedback, send it to us. Be sure to subscribe. I try to keep this short, 10 to 12 minutes. This may be a little longer than that. I'm still trying to figure out the length and what the right length is. I may need to shorten it a little bit. This one turned out longer than I expected. But I'd love to have your feedback. So text me, email me, put a note in the comments down here, subscribe down here, ring the bell so you get notifications. Hope you enjoy it though. And feedback, always welcome. Thanks. Enjoy. Go on a butterfly walk. This should be a riot. We're at Stillwater Prairie Reserve, which is a great place to hike. So we'll see what kind of butterflies we see. Well, I'm hot. We were out for just under 2 hours. Saw 14 species of butterflies and a lot of plants that we logged. And so this stuff is recorded. But boy, it was a lot of fun. I'll post some pictures later. Well, it's Tuesday morning, and it poured this morning. Rain heavy. It quit a couple hours ago, hour and a half ago, so I thought I'd try to get out. I'd have to be back home. I was supposed to take a nature hike this morning from 9 to 11, but I'm not going to make it because I get a delivery of my drone this morning and I have to sign for it. That wasn't scheduled until the next day. There's somebody driving through behind me. But the views this morning are incredible. I've seen 2 different gray blue herrings. I got real good photos of one of them. The other one I didn't do so good. But I'm at Garvey Big Woods out at the pond. Hiked around a little bit. I'll just be silent, let you hear the birds. It's almost peaceful. It might put you to sleep. See the duck out there? Good morning. It's Thursday, having a beautiful morning, but the fog is intense again, so not a lot of pictures today. I saw a couple blue jays, I saw a red-bellied woodpecker, I saw cardinals, but none of them was able to get a picture because there was just so much fog that they took off. There's a woodpecker right up here behind me, and he just keeps jumping around. I may have got one picture of him, but it looks like a red belly. But the fog's intense. I thought I'd share a picture of the fog on this foggy Thursday morning, and so I'm going to turn the camera around and let you take a look. Well, there's certainly not a lot of birds that I can see because of the fog, but the views are really pretty this morning. We've had a lot of rain the last couple nights, and the creeks and rivers are really high, and this is just an example. This was dry 3 days ago, nothing, and now there's, as you can see, lots of water, and it's just beautiful. Really beautiful day. I was late getting out today because I had to go to Columbus, but I got back in time to stop a few places, take a few photographs. So I'm going to share 2 or 3 photos here, and then of course there'll be a photo or 2 posted on my blog. So enjoy, have a great weekend. By the time you see this, it'll be after the weekend, but hope you had a great weekend. Bye-bye. Saturday, and we've had a great week. Saw something really interesting this morning. 2 great blue herons flying over the river, and as a pair. And usually I see them in solo. I know they fly together sometimes, but they were a pair. Hear that? Beautiful. Anyway, great week. Started the week at the butterfly walk. Did the butterfly walk. Visited along the river several places. Out to Garby Big Woods several times. Stillwater River Reserve, Prairie Reserve, and just some other spots where I've captured some photos and video. Hope you enjoyed all the footage we've put up here. Give me some feedback. I love to tweak and tune this to make it better and better and better. I'm still learning. I'm quite green, but it's where you learn by doing. So I'm off and running. So I'm going to hike a little bit more today. Then I'm going to put this video up tomorrow morning. Be sure down here below to subscribe so you'll see the updates as we post them. Also go to the blog at Tales.Photos and see the photos and little stories that I share throughout the week. And enjoy. Have a great weekend, or I hope you had a great weekend. And we'll talk more later. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.